echika manje uro kanje.
Akachiki.
Hey. Hey. Umuhle kanjani?
Ha! Hey! You are that guy.
Can I please Justin here?
Justin?
It's just 2 of us.
I'm sorry.
Don't be someone's guy.
Are you okay?
No, I'll pay you. I promise.
Are you out of your mind?
1,000.
Like me?
Now.
100,000.
Yeah.
Me.
No. 300K.
Close the door when you're out.
Please,
Go out.
try to listen, man.
Just close the door behind you, okay?
No.
And
All right.
get out.
Okay. 500. 500K. 500. 5. Please.
Do the
Please.
transfer right now.
Now I'll pay you.
Transfer the money right now.
Okay.
500.
500K.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, eh? What is your account number?
22 956
156
77
77 2. Where is your phone?
My phone is
Oh, okay. Notification.
okay.
But
Make it fast.
no, I respect this bed, so we can go maybe inside the bathroom.
Just make it fast, okay?
Ha! Hey! You are that guy.
Finish, make it fast.
Here.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay.
Yeah,
Where's the money?
No, the money I already transferred to your wife's account.
This?
Yeah, 500K.
She paid. Okay. Are you fine?
I'm okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're
I
highly
think next time again, eh?
No problem. Just always count on us.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sure. Hello there. How are you?